Hello guys, welcome to my first ever video that I've ever downloaded. So of course my channel's name, as you know, PC Tips and Tricks. Of course no videos, ? So basically what I do is I find things that could be helpful to gamers or not directors. I don't really know, but I just find tips and tricks of like things that are helpful for people who use PCs, I guess, or other laptops and stuff. So yeah, today's episode will be, I'd say, pretty helpful to other people. Today I shall be finding a not free but less expensive, and it also has a free trial of an auto keyboard presser. So yeah, the one that I found is the Autosofted Auto Keyboard Presser V.9. So this is the link right here. Either you can just copy it down on your computer from my screen, or I will put the link in the description below of this video. So basically, this would be helpful for some games. For an example, I will be using Roblox Animal Simulator. And Roblox Animal Simulator, as you know, if you played it before, to attack you don't click. To attack you need to press Q. So if you want to AFK grind, you can't do it with the free SourceForge auto clicker. First thing that you need to do is first download this. So of course it just appears there. Then you just open it, and of course you can see it opens. Here it is. So now let's open Roblox. Okay, so we are in Animal Simulator here. So I'll just be a baby tiger. I don't know why. I'm just gonna be anything, honestly, at this point. So yeah. So we'll just test over here. Hopefully nobody kills me. That would be very nice. Okay, so first what we need to do is just minimize Roblox, put it off to the side, and open the keyboard pressers. So here's the start and stop key. This is what starts and stops your recording. So you need to press your hotkey. I put mine as F1. This one can be F2. Yeah. People are just messing around in my Animal Simulator, and I don't like it. I feel like they're gonna kill me. So basically, you can do like repeat like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and going on up in times. And what I like to do, just repeat continuously. So it repeats the same recording continuously. So basically, what we should do is just keep it like this. So. And then, as you can see, start and stop key. So we press the hotkey, which is F1, 3, 2, 1, and then we just press Q. Oh God, okay, that guy just ruined my recording, for God's sake! Okay, sorry about that. That guy just ruined my recording, and I got really, okay, bro. These people need to stop ruining my recordings. Did you see that? Okay. This time, we're gonna go to this area, and we're not gonna press anything else except for Q. Nothing else except for Q, okay? So we just keep on pressing Q since that's the attack button. And since I have it on repeat continuously, as you see over there on the thing, we can just press F1, and it is recorded. So, yeah. Bro, people messed up my recording twice, and that really got me angry. So now that we have it recorded, we just open Roblox all the way, and then we take our keyboard presser. We go up to one of these Santa Claus dummy thingies. I don't know what they are. Open our Autosofted. As you can see, the play to record your thing. So the recording that we recorded, we just press the play hotkey, and yeah. So F2 and playing. As you can see, it actually works, which is very nice. Very few keyboard auto clickers work. I've tried the SourceForge one, but I don't know if I'm using it correctly. So I'm gonna figure that out later. Okay, well, that lion just died. Yeah. So this is my first episode, guys. Sorry, I lost my words there. So if anyone's even watching this video, please subscribe. And yeah, oh God, man, oh my God. Okay, I'm going over here. That person is actually not that much better than me. So this is the keyboard auto clicker. As you can see, works very well. Of course, if you're an Animal Simulator player, it's actually the best time to get this, because as you can see at the bottom, 2 times EXP, baby. So you can AFK grind even more than before. Well, you can actually AFK grind. And yeah, I didn't make this keyboard auto clicker, and I'm not like advertising it to you guys or anything. This actually works really good. I'm telling you guys. And to stop, just press F2, and it stopped. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video a lot. And here, let's end this video off with us killing someone. Freaking bear rat deserves death. Yep, that guy just killed him. Okay, well, let's see. Oh my God. Okay, I'm running. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoy this video. There's probably a huge pack following me, looking for me now. Goodbye.